Okay, good morning, children. Okay, the last after 2 or 3 days we are meeting now. Hope you will be keeping in touch with matrix multiplication. I'll give one question. Let's try. Okay, let's recall how to multiply, and then we can start with the new topic. Okay, that is the same chapter's continuation. Transpose of the matrix. We have to start. Before that, I'll give one small question. Find out. Do this one. Write the question. Matrix multiplication to check whether you tried it. Write the question. For the matrix capital A, this is again an important question, children. This is an important board exam question. For the matrix capital A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 3, 1, 7, 5. For the matrix capital A is equal to 3, 1, 7, 5. Find A and B. Find A and B such that
small a and b.
Small a and b. Find small a and b such that a square plus a square plus ai is equal to ba, where I is a 2 by 2 matrix. Where I is 2 by 2 matrix. This is an important board exam question, children. Find A and B, where A is equal to matrix 3, 1, 7, 5. Find A and B such that A square plus AI is equal to BA. So A is given. We want to find A square. What is A square? It is A into A. This matrix 3, 1, 7, 5 into matrix 3, 1, 7, 5. 3, 1, 7, 5, 3, 1, 7, 5. So now multiply this one and write row with column. Find out and tell me what is A square. Row with column. First entry is at 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Achyut, can you give A square?
16, 8,
8,
56,
56,
32.
32 is A square, isn't it? Next, okay. So next I apply this one. So A square plus AI. What is A square plus AI? 16, 8, 56, 32 plus AI. I means it is the identity matrix. When you multiply by A, what you will get? A00A, isn't it? It is equivalent to, it is 16 plus A, 8, 56, 32 plus A. This is A square plus AI. Now find out what is BA. This BA. That is equivalent to B into the matrix A. 3, 1, 7, 5. When you multiply this, you will get 3B, B, 7B, 5B. 3B, B, 7B, 5B. Now equate it. Equate it. Okay, two matrices are equal. Means corresponding entries are equal. Equate and find out what is the value of A and give the value of B. Yes, Nandana, can you give me what's the value of A and what's the value of B, Nandana?
Doing it.
A is 4.
I've not completed it.
Okay, calculate it and yes. Michael, can you tell me what's the value of A and what's the value of B, Michael?
I'm still doing that.
Huh?
I'm not finished.
Not finished. Okay. Which step you are doing now, Michael?
Multiplying the identity matrix with the 16, 8 with A squared.
Okay. Aditya, finished? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the value of A, Aditya?
Ma'am, I got A and B as 8.
A and B as 8. Is it so, Gauji? Yes. What about Sania?
I got the same, ma'am.
Huh?
I got the same.
Very good. Okay. What about Krishna Chandran? You finished?
Yes, ma'am, both 8.
Both as 8. Okay. So hope you all completed this one. Yes, children, all of you switch on your video. Rijas. Okay. So write the next heading, children. Transpose of a matrix. Next one is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix.
Ma'am, can you please
Yes,
spelling?
spelling. So what is meant by transpose of a matrix? Okay. So transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the matrix. Suppose you are given a matrix, what you are going to do? We are going to interchange that row elements, we are going to take it as column elements we are going to write it as row elements. That one we call it as transpose of a matrix. For example, suppose A is given as 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 6. A transpose. Okay, sometimes it will be denoted like this, A dash, both are equivalent. A transpose of a matrix is got by interchanging the rows and columns. We are going to interchange the rows and columns. The row will become column, column will become rows. Look at here. This is the first row. The first row, this is the first row. This is the second row. So I'm going to write the transpose. So the first row will become the first column here. 2, 1, 3. Second row will become the second column. So what is the order of A here? What is order of A? Dia, what is the order of A?
2.
Yes?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Is it correct? 3 by 2. How many rows are here?
2 by 3.
2 rows are there. 2 by 3. What about order of A transpose? It is 3 by 2, isn't it? So in general, if A is an M by N matrix, then A transpose will be an N by M matrix. If A is an M by N matrix, then its transpose is N by M matrix. So the transpose of a matrix is got by interchanging the rows and columns. It is got by interchanging the rows and column. When you interchange the rows and columns, you will get A transpose. And we denote like this, A raised to T or A dash. Both are equivalent. Both the notations you should get familiar with it. Sometimes they use the notation AT or A dash. A dash means A transpose. So in general, if A is an M by N matrix, then A transpose will be an N by M matrix. Okay. So next thing we are going to learn is the properties of matrices, transpose of a matrix. Write the heading. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. So we are going to learn 5 laws here. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. The first one is, children, A dash the whole dash is A. First you write all the properties together. Afterwards we can check whether it is true or not. We will be verifying the properties. So the first one is A dash the whole dash. If you take the transpose of a matrix, transpose of a matrix will be same as itself. A dash the whole dash is equal to A. What about the second one? Ka the whole dash is equal to K into A dash. Ka the whole dash is equal to K into A dash.
K means
K is, what is K? During in multiplication also we have learned this. What is this K? Can anyone answer that one? What is K?
Constant.
Constant. But what we, or another name only we will use here instead of constant. What's the name we have used there? K is? Yes, Gauri. K is? Scalar. K is any scalar quantity. But K is a scalar.
okay.
K is a scalar. This is the second property. What about the third one? What is third one? A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Similarly, A minus B the whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. A minus B the whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. So a plus b the whole dash is a dash plus b dash. What is a minus b the whole dash? It is a dash minus b dash. Now fourth one, we call this as reversal law of transpose. So one we call this as reversal law of transpose. It's again a very important law. Reversal law. That is AB the whole dash is equal to, we take the products, and if we take the transpose, it will be same as B dash into A dash. AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Next one, fifth one. Fifth one is extension of the reversal law. Extension means we can extend this to any number of matrices. Extension of the reversal law. Instead of 2 matrices, we can take 3, 4, or okay. This A, B, C, the whole dash will be same as A, B, C, the whole dash will be same as. Can you give the answer?
C dash,
Yes, it is
C dash.
C dash, B dash, A dash. It is C dash, A dash, B dash. C dash, B dash, A dash. A, B, C, the whole dashes. Look at here. It is coming in the reverse order. From the last only you are writing. So A, B, C, the whole dashes. C dash, B dash, A dash. So properties of matrices, transpose of matrices. We have 5 properties. First one is A transpose, the whole transpose is A. Second one, K into A transpose is equal to KA dash. Third one, A plus B, the whole dash is A dash plus B dash. Fourth one is A minus B, the whole dash is A dash minus B dash. Next one is reversal law, A, B, the whole dash is B dash into A dash. Next is the extension of the reversal law, A, B, C, the whole dash is C dash, B dash, A dash. We can extend it to any number. Yes, Aryan, read the laws. Aryan, what are the properties of transpose of the matrix?
K the whole dash is equal to K dash. A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A minus B the whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Then the reverse law, AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Extension of reversal, ABC the whole dash is equal to C dash B dash A dash.
Okay, now we are going to verify these properties. Okay, we are going to verify these properties. Write the question, first one. Next one we are going to verify is A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. B is equal to matrix minus 1, 5, 3, 2, 6, 7. Verify. First one, A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Second one, A minus 2B the whole dash is equal to A dash minus 2B the whole dash. Do this one. Two things you have to do here. A plus B you have to do, A minus B the whole dash. Try this. You copied this question, children? Rijas, you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Finished, Atul? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Give the answers, Atul. Others, check it, children. Okay, check whether you are getting the same. So what is, okay, in first one, what is the LHS you got?
0, 11, 7, 14, 6, 14.
14. Can you repeat?
No,
Zero.
ma'am. 0, 11, then the next row 7, 14, then the next row 6, 14.
One second. Okay, and let me change. Okay, 0, 11. The next row,
7, 14,
7, 14,
then 6, 14.
6, 14. Is it same as RHS? Are you getting like this? Emmanuel, check your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
And second one, LHS. You finished both, Emmanuel?
I'm doing
Ah,
second one.
okay. Finished? Aryan, tell me, Aryan, what is A minus 2B the whole dash? Aryan,
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Still doing. Okay, it's not a lengthy one. Which part you are doing now?
Ma'am, I just did the first one.
Yes. Did you first part you tried? LHS, is it over? LHS. Yes, Nia, give me what is the LHS? Nia.
Not finished. 1 minute.
Oh. Nandana, tell me, Nandana, what is A minus 2B the whole dash?
3, 5,
3, 5.
minus 8, minus 4.
Is it in this first row or second row?
No, the second one.
Second row. Can you repeat the answer?
Minus 8, minus 4.
Okay.
And the next row, minus 3, minus 7.
Minus 7. Is it correct, Achut?
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. Is it same as RHS, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do the next one, reversal law. The next one we are going to do is verify is reversal law. Hope you all completed the previous one. Michael, is it over? Nia,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, where is Aryan? Is it over, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the next one. If A is equal to matrix, if A is equal to matrix, okay, reversal law is an important one. It will be asked for 2 mark question, 1 mark question and all for board exam. Okay, this is again a board exam question. If A is equal to matrix 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 0 and B is equal to matrix 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 0, 5, 0. Verify that AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. We have to verify whether AB the whole dash is B dash into A dash. So you start from LHS. What is in LHS? We have AB the whole dash, isn't it? So you first find out what is AB. What is AB? A is matrix 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 0 into B 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 0. Now check whether it is satisfying the condition for compactibility. Matrix multiplication. You have to check whether it is compactible. What is the order of the first matrix, Nia? What is the order of the first matrix, A?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. And what is the order of B? Yes, Nia.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay, is it possible to multiply in? Is it possible to multiply? isn't it? The row of number of columns of the first matrix should be same as number of rows of the second matrix. So when you find out AB, you will be getting a 2 by 2 matrix. So find out what is AB. Row with column. Michael, tell me, Michael, multiply and give me the answer, Michael. 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 Okay, do it. Not okay, not the final answer. You do tell me how you will do this. Give me the steps. Yes, Michael. Row with column. Tell me the steps. Okay, start with the first one. Tell me.
2 into 1
Yes. Plus.
plus
Plus.
plus 1 into 0,
1 into 0. What is 1 into 0?
0,
0. Then
plus
plus
1 into 15,
plus 15. So first row with first column. Now take the first row with the second column. Tell me.
minus 2,
Minus 2
plus 2,
plus 2
plus 0,
plus 0. First row with second column. Okay, now take the second row. Nia, second row with the first column.
4,
4
0,
plus 0,
0,
0,
minus 4,
minus 4.
8.
How?
2, 2, 2,
Plus 2
0.
plus 0. Okay. So when you add this, you'll get 17, 0, 4, minus 2. This is AB. So now we want AB the whole dash. What is AB the whole dash? So we want to take the transpose, isn't it? So 17, 0, 4, minus 2, the whole dash, which is 17, 0, 4, minus 2. Name this as equation 1. So this is AB the whole dash. This is the LHS. Now find out what is RHS. What is in RHS? We want to find what is B dash into A dash. We have to find what is B dash into A dash. Find out what is B dash. Then write what is A dash. Then multiply B dash into A dash. So what is B dash? Dia, can you give B dash, Dia?
1 into 2 plus
You first tell me what is B dash.
1 0 5 minus 1 2 0.
Minus 1, 2, 0 into A dash. 2, 1, 3, isn't it? 4, 1, 0. Is it okay? Is it correct, Michael? Krishna Chandran, multiply and give me the answer, Krishna Chandran.
17,
17,
4,
4,
0,
0.
minus 2.
Yes,
Minus 2.
minus 2. Is it like this?
No, ma'am, 0 and minus 2 next row.
Next row. 0, minus 2. Are you getting like this? Name this as equation 2. Achyut, is it correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So from 1 and 2, you can say that AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Are you getting this answer, Rijas? Rijas? Write the next one. Next one. A is equal to matrix. A is equal to matrix cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Verify that A dash A is equal to I. Verify that A dash A is equal to I. I means, what is I here? Yes, those who know give the answer. Yes, it is identity matrix of order 2. Identity matrix will be always a square matrix, isn't it? So find out what is A dash. What will be A dash? It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So it is A dash. First row will become first column. So it is cos theta, sin theta. Now find out what is A dash into A. This cos theta multiply these two matrices and find out what is the answer we will get. Yes, what is A dash A? Sania, when you multiply it, what you will get?
Cos square theta plus sin
Yes,
square theta,
very good. Then,
cos theta sin theta
hmm,
minus sin theta cos theta
minus sin theta, cos theta. Then,
Sin theta cos theta
minus,
sin theta cos theta.
okay,
Sin square theta plus cos square theta.
now use the identity. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So it is 1. Look at this. These two will get cancelled. You will get 0, 0, 1. So we are getting an identity matrix, which is equal to I. So we have proved A dash is equal to I. Hence we have proved A dash is equal to I. Is it okay? Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have learned today, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we have learned how to find the transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix is got by interchanging rows with columns. By interchanging the rows and columns. The rows will become column, columns will become rows. And we learned the properties. What are the properties we have learned? The first one is A transpose, the whole transpose is A. Second one is K into A dash is equal to KA the whole dash, isn't it? Third one, A plus B the whole dash is A dash plus B dash. A minus B the whole dash is A dash minus B dash. Next is the reversal law. Michael, give me the my reversal law.
AB the whole dash is equal to B dash A dash.
A B the whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Okay. In the next class, we'll be learning more about this matrices. Symmetric matrices. We'll be learning more about the transpose. Okay. Till the next class, that is, you'll be getting 1 week gap. What you have to do is try to complete the third exercise full. Is it third exercise or second exercise, Achut? Matrix multiplication and all in which exercise? Yes, Nand. Yes, Gauri? 3.2.
Second one.
So try to complete the exercise 3.2. Is it okay, Atul? Which one you have to complete, Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? Which exercise?
Third
Give the
one.
exercise. Third one.
Third exercise.
Third or second, Aditya?
Second.
Multiplication.
Second
Okay.
one.
Second one. Multiplication exercise, you have to complete it. Yes, that is homework. Few questions we did, so complete all the remaining questions. Okay, is it okay, Gauri? Okay, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.